This is an A1 strategy that's made me close to 2K every single week. You can find this strategy every single day at New York Open at least 3 times a week. It's a very simple strategy with very simple steps to learn. Once you get the idea, you can execute this and get a 90% win rate just with a simple strategy. I'm gonna give you a quick little breakdown of what to look for and then a live example in the charts. Keep in mind that you do want to trade this strategy between 9:30 to 11 o'clock at New York Open. Anything after 11, I don't suggest taking it because liquidity is pretty low during those times. So let's say this is a chart. So what do we see here? First, we see that sell side got taken. And since the strategy goes with NASDAQ and ES, say we have an SMT get put in place. The SMT is very crucial because if it's not for the SMT, then we don't have a reason to really come back from the sweep of the low to trade back in the zone. So once that SMT gets put in place, we have a reason to go back into our zone from the sell side. Now what do we want to look for? We want to look for a change of a state. The reason we look for a change of a state is to prove that we are actually changing direction from a downtrend to an uptrend. But for a change of a state to be 100% solidified, we want to look for a fair value gap on the break of the change of a state. So we can see our retest for a reason to continue upwards, which we have right here. Now to take our entry on the retest of the fair value gap, if we don't see any previous highs, we would want to take a standard deviation to see where we should put our take profits. So with our standard deviation in place, we would take a take profit at a -2. So this is a fairly simple strategy, which is 4 steps to follow. So now I'm going to show you an example in the real charts. So as you can see, 10:30 open during New York session. What do we want to look for? We want to look for a sweep of a low, which we have right here, the sell side liquidity. We also have a SMT get put in place right over here. Now we want to look for, do you remember what's next? It's a change of a state. So we see a very strong push. We have our change of a state that get put in place right over here. Now, do you know the next step? I really hope you do. Find a fair value gap and a retest of the fair value gap, which we get right over here. Once we see this retest of the fair value gap, we take our entry. But now, how do you know where to put your take profit? It's from the lows to the fair value gap. And now you put your take profit, do you remember where? Right at the -2. Stop loss can go right below the fair value gap. And now we let it play out. And 90% of the time, the strategy always works, especially during New York Open. And as you can see, that -2 just got hit for 1.7K in profit. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Fairly simple, not much to look for, and it happens at least 3 times out of the week during the New York session. So if you did like the video, let me know in the comments, leave me a like, subscribe, support the family, and I hope you have an amazing day.